Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn Hello World program in Java, or you can call it program to print hello. Learning objective of this video is how to write, compile and run program in Java. Let's start. First open the notepad and write the code here. I'm starting writing the code. Class. As you know, Java is a complete object oriented programming language, so every line of code must be written in a class. Test is the class name and class is a keyword. These are the braces which represents start and end of the class. I am writing main function in this class. Public static void main. Public static void main. These are the three keyword: public, static, void, and main is a name of function from where execution starts, and this is parameter of main function. String is a Java class and args is a array name. These square bracket represents that args is a array. This parameter used to get input from command prompt. We will learn this later. Public means this function can be called from any class. Static means we does not require any object of the class to call this function. Void means main function will not return any value. These are the three keyword, and main is a function from where execution starts. I am writing here an output statement, that is system.out.println hello world and semicolon at the last. Semicolon represents the termination of this statement. Println is a method which print this string. Now save this program as save. Select the all files, select the folder where you want to save this program. I want to save this program in E drive. Give the file name. My file name is test. Give the extension .java. A Java source code file must have extension .java. Save this file test.java. This is source code of Java program. Now go to the command prompt. This is E drive where our program saves. Give the command to check whether it is saved in this drive. dir program name is test.java. Yes, this is available in this drive. Now compile this code by giving the command javac. Javac is the compiler for the Java, and file name test.java. Press enter. File is compiled successfully because there is no error. Now check what happened now after compilation. Give the command dir test.star. Here there are two test files. One is test.class, another is test.java. Test.java is our source code of the Java program, and test.class is a bytecode which is created after the compilation process. Javac. Javac is a compiler of the Java code which convert the source code into the bytecode. So test.class is a bytecode of Java source code. Now I want to run this program. To run the program, give the command java and file name test. So Java is a runtime environment for the Java which automatically search the class file name related to the test. It means test.class. It will run the test.class file. Press enter. Hello world. It means program runs successfully and it gives the output hello world. Now come back to the code. It is printing hello world because I write the string in double quotes hello world. It will print everything what I write here. If I write another string like Hello world, this is Java code. Now save this. Again come to the command prompt. Again run this code. Java C test.java. Press enter. Compilation process done successfully. Now run this code. Java test. Press enter. Hello world, this is Java code. So system.out.println is an output statement, and this is string. Whatever we write here, it will print on the console. I want to print two strings simultaneously. For that, write plus symbol, then write another string. Save the code. Come to the command prompt. Compile again. Test.java. Press enter. Compiled successfully. Run the code. Press enter. Hello world, this is Java code. There is no space in between two strings because I have not given any space. If I want to give space, write it like this: space, then again plus. Save it. Come to the command prompt, compile it, run it, press enter. Here is space. So this is the way we can write a simple program in Java. Thank you.